Hello traders, the title of the video is how do you become a professional day trader? That's $1 million question. How do you become a professional day trader? Do you want to become a professional day trader? Well, it's not easy at all to become a professional day trader because day trading require a clear understanding of the price move. Otherwise, you'll be jumping all over the place. All right, you need to understand, okay, and interpret the price structure clearly, so you can buy, close, sell, close multiple times. Some day traders take hundreds of trades per day, but nowadays most of the trading firms are using trading software to trade for them. So they design their own automated trading system, and those computers are busy buying and selling. So they are taking hundreds of trades. They may have 2 or 4 day traders that are monitoring the trading activity of those computers to see that everything is working okay. They may have some rule to shut it down or to stop it or to intervene. So there are computers trading more than human beings. So when we are talking about professional day traders, we should be also talking about professional, okay, day trading machines. All right, day trading machines. But one can become a professional day trader. So what is the first step to become? Okay, how do you become a professional day trader? Okay, obviously, you want to learn to day trade like a pro. Simple. So you have to look for trading academic out there. You can Google it, trading academies, trading courses, all right? And then read the review, all right? Get in touch with them. There are some advert coming out of some videos. Is that for you? Check it out for yourself. So to become a professional day trader, one want to learn to day trade like a pro. Now, I'm not saying that those trading academy, trading school, trading courses are providing professional day trading course. You need to find that for yourself. But obviously, the first step is to learn to day trade like a pro. All right. So if you ask me now, I'll say to you, there are traders following up for years, and I can assure you that there are traders out there, ordinary traders, that are trading like a pro. I'll come back to that. We have 4 steps that I'm going to describe with you. So in the fourth one, we'll be talking about trader I've been following up for some time that are trading like a pro, and I'll explain it to you also in a minute. Okay. So first step, how do you become a professional day trader? You will, okay, subscribe to a course, a day trading course by a professional day trading course. You may join a trading academy. Okay, you will, all in all, you will first step, you will learn to day trade like a pro. Doesn't matter where you learn it, you just need to learn to day trade like a pro. And after you learn it, it's not sufficient to have the knowledge. You buy all the book, you learn them, you say, yeah, I can trade like a pro. No. Don't fool yourself. Now start putting it to use, practicing. You see all the try, the sweat, the heat, okay, how sometimes it's so discouraging to trade. You spend the whole day only to lose the whole day, or you feel really useless. All right, and the next day here you are, you pick up the speed, you start improving, and then you keep doing it until one day you start understanding clearly what's happening, and you are not repeating the same mistake all the time. So the first sign that one is becoming a professional trader is that one will not repeat the same mistake all the time. Because if a firm is employing you as a professional day trader, the last thing they want is somebody in the house every day coming in just losing like a mad dog. So they will see that you achieve consistency, that you have a pattern in place, that you can day trade. They can see that you can day trade. All right? After 2 months, you can't hide anymore because they will see clearly whether you can day trade or not. So the second step, all right, or the second way, one can become a professional trader? Well, is to earn a salary as a day trader, as a professional day trader. All right. So you put yourself, you apply for a professional day trading job, okay, in a firm that is looking for a professional day traders, all right, in brackets, all right. So you postulate. Are we allowed to use that word in English? Postulate. In French, we use that word, postulate. You apply for that job, okay, as a professional day trader, which means you have been day trading yourself for some time. You learn it, you have your own trading account, you have a bit of history, and then you went there, they question you about the price structure, blah, 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 and so on and so on. They say, okay, you got a job, and then you have a salary, and they give you a title, okay, professional day trader in that firm. So, you have been day trading or you have some experience in the financial market. Now you are working for a firm that is employing you as a professional day trader. Whether you are a very useless professional day trader, it doesn't matter. You are a professional day trader because that's your job title. Now, if you want to dig deeper, all right, we may find out that we are not interested in you because you can't day trade very well. But if somebody, a firm, established firm, is employing you with the title of a professional day trader, well, that's your title. When they ask you what do you do for a living, you say, I'm a professional day trader. That's why I'm saying to you that the second step is to earn a salary as a professional day trader. I met some people who told me that they are professional day traders. So we start some conversation a little bit, and then I decide to cut the conversation short. If you understand what I mean by that, it means that all right, they need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but I didn't tell them anything. Okay, all right, very polite. So that's the second step. Earn a salary as a professional day trader. Have a job title as a professional day trader. You are a professional day trader. We can't deny you. We can't stop you. That's why you are. Okay? There are people out there that are calling themselves professional day trader just because they are earning a salary with a job title as a professional day trader. We can't change that. That's their title. That's their job. They are professional day traders. Okay? The third way or the third method, the third step to become a professional day trader, all right, I think I mentioned that already, to apply for a trading position in a trading firm or with a hedge fund. And so now, I want to differentiate between the one that I said to you before, which means one have a job title, one is earning a salary as a professional day trader. Now, there is another group which I want to separate. That's what I'm creating the third level. Okay, they are professional day traders, which means they have been to financial schools. All right, they specialize themselves maybe in trading stocks, or they specialize themselves. They have some financial qualifications. All right. They go into school, they have qualification as a professional day traders at school, certified qualification, and they are working for hedge funds, all right, institutional bank, all right, and they have a lot of experience in the financial market. Now their specialty is day trading. So those people, you don't see many of them walking around because they have been in the financial market for too long. It's not only about day trading that they know generally about the financial market. They understand everything about it. Now they want to specialize in day trading. Those are fully fledged, okay, day traders. All right, they know what's going on, and they can. Okay, value themselves because if they are honest, they can say that I'm not a very good day trader. They may say that, or they may say, "Oh, I don't consider myself at the top end day trader." They can say that, but you cannot discount the experience. Those kind of day traders that are professional day traders can teach somebody how to day trade. All right, they can teach you how to day trade, and you can become excellent day trader. But sometimes if you call those people and you give them a chart, all right, a live chart, and you ask them to day trade, you'll be shocked how they will day trade. They will be all over the place, and they may not trade successfully. Okay, so you tell them buy, sell now. You say you are a professional day trader, buy, sell now. But some of those people may struggle to day trade because in their professional day trading life, they are not working alone. They have rules that they follow. They have method that is in place that they are using day in, day out. But when you say to them, day trade, and also they are trading with their client money. This is the difference. They are not trading with their own money at all. You see? But they are professional day traders. They can teach you how to day trade. But when you give them a chart, you see, day trade now, you will be surprised that they are not very, very good at day trading. They are average day traders. But you cannot deny that they are professional day traders with a lot of experience. All right? So understand the difference between somebody who is just presenting himself, apply for a day trading job, get a title, get a salary. But the one I'm talking about now, those are more experienced day trader with a lot of knowledge, can teach somebody how to day trade, but still can struggle when it comes to day trading itself. But they are professional day traders. So the idea is that you want to go to the financial, you can apply. So a very simple trick, all right? So if there is an industry, you want to get into it, maybe you don't have any qualification yet, you go into it first, all right? Like even in cooking, all right, so you want to become a chef, you don't know how to cook, what do? You become a kitchen porter first. You go into a kitchen. So you see the chef, how they are cooking, yes or no. And then from there, some restaurant, catering firm will send you to a school, all right? They send you to school, and then you learn. So that's how, so you want to become a professional, join a firm, see whether they are interested to take you, or you may just get in, be the tea boy, giving tea to traders, and then you keep your eyes open, and then one day they may send you to a course or something like that. So I'm not sure whether that is for you or not. All right? I'm just talking now, okay? The fourth step to become a professional day trader, all right, is what, I've been talking about for years. Adopt the mindset of a professional day trader. All right. If you go to www.stochastic-market.com, all right, it's all about adopting the mindset of a professional day trader. Practically speaking, this is what I've been talking about. That's why I was telling you earlier on that there are traders following us for years that has improved their day trading to the highest level, that are not all over the place, okay, that are not repeating the same mistake over and over anymore, okay. Maybe they are not making a lot of money in the financial market, but they can teach somebody to day trade. Maybe they don't have enough funds in their trading account, so that may be their downside, okay, all right. So they don't have enough financial firing power, so they are struggling. So maybe they are trading with a small trading account, but they can day trade. They understand how to day trade. So in every case that we have discussed today, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, if one is calling oneself, a professional day trader, all right, now that person has failed the test of adopting the mindset of a professional day trader. The person may be having the title of a professional day trader. We cannot deny that. The person may be working for a firm that is employing a professional day trader. The person may be earning a salary as a professional day trader. The person may have the qualification as a professional day trader. If the person does not adopt the mindset of a professional day trader, that person, if you give him millions of dollars for day trading for a year, he may waste it at one point. That's it. Feel free to quote me anywhere. So, all these 4 steps that one can take to become a professional day trader, my preferred method is to adopt the mindset of a professional day trader. If you learn the theory, they say this is how you buy, this is how you sell, this is what you do, but you never develop that mindset of a professional day trader, you are not a professional day trader. Feel free to quote me on Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, whatever you want to do. That's okay with me, all right? Just say that this is George's opinion, and I'm free to express my opinion, all right? Especially if you are trading with somebody else's money, all right? It's not your own money, all right? In fact, I will say to you that the best professional, or should we, the best professional day trader out there are private day traders. You don't know them. You don't see them on Twitter. You don't see them on Facebook. You don't see them shouting all over the place. They are very private. They are trading with their own money. So when you start trading with your own money, you know how the feeling is like to have money in the morning in your trading account, and at the end of the evening, there's no more money there. All right? Or you keep losing, all right, non-stop. After that, you will develop the mindset of a professional day trader. So I don't want the video to be too long. I don't want to talk about the mindset of a professional day trader. All right. I've been talking about it for a year. So to simplify it, to adopt the mindset of professional day trader, one must use the different time frame trading method and understand how to trade it, understand how to interpret the language of the price. All right. Okay. How do you control your day trade? All right. Are you moving your stop loss to break even, or are you securing your gain? Are you taking profits when you have to take profit? Are you day trading like a swing trader, or are you day trading like a scalper? All right, this is it. When do you day trade? Do you know the best time for day trade? Do you know the gap period? And so on and so on. All right. But all in all, how do you become a professional day trader? After 70 minutes, all right, learn to day trade very simply. Go to a course, go to Trading Academy, find one, Google it, YouTube search it, find video, contact them, see, all right. Don't try to take thousands of dollars into a trading, okay, learning to trade, all right. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, all right, it's free. You can learn to day trade, all right. Follow day traders, all right. But if you want to go to a course, it's up to you, but don't go and throw your life saving away only to come out with nothing. Okay, that's what I'm saying. The second step, okay, there are some looking for day traders sometime, all right, so you can search for day trading job, blah blah blah. You apply, you see, I've been day trading, blah blah blah. So what you need to do, if you want to do that, all right, try to have a trading account, okay, and then trade like a pro, all right, trade like a pro. Have a proof that you have been day trading for some time, okay, have a proof that you have been day trading some time, that you have a pattern, you are able to day trade, something to show them that you can day trade. Don't just go there, stand there, I'm a day trader. Have something to show them that you have been day trading, and so on and so on. All right, so they may analyze all the thing, something true, authentic, and that you have experience, a day trader, blah 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 blah, and so on and so on. And then sometimes they may train you to become a professional day trader. This is about the second step, to earn a salary as a day trader. So you may jump in, they call you a professional day trader. Yourself, you know that George said that you are not yet a professional day trader, but you have the title. We can't remove that. And you are earning a salary. What's good about that? You are trading also with somebody else's money. But remember that if you are not performing, and they will take you out again, because it's a job. You need to perform. But so think of it. Is that for you? Third step, apply for trading position, okay, in a trading firm or in a hedge fund or institutional bank. That is more demanding. They're going to ask you for qualification, experience, all right. That's not like the second step. It's more serious. Somebody has been in a financial market with a lot of experience, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, or Barclays Bank, looking for traders. They're not going to take anybody from the street unless you have some spectacular, okay, private, okay, portfolio to show them, or a method that you can tell them that I can change the game in your firm today. And they say to you, prove it. I say, yes, give me the chart. So they put you on the computer, you day trade with your $100, and you're making $1,000 in front of them. They can't deny it. They will be stupid not to take you. And they say, oh, that's only a chance. They bring you the next day, you put in $100, you change it into 1,000. They will take you on. But for the third step, you are dealing with a more professional. They're not going to take on anybody on the street like that. They will need qualification, experience. Those firms will be very demanding to take you on, all right? Very, very serious matter because you're going to earn serious day trader money, all right? The fourth step is mine, which I talk about all the time, all right? Adopting the mindset of a professional day trader, all right? A professional day trader must know how to use a different time frame trading method. How is he going to buy and sell if he doesn't see the signal? I mean, I don't know. I don't know about you, though. All right? How is he going to do it? Okay. Unless he's a very lucky person, buying a bull moving averages, people do that, all right? Okay? So, because there is something, so how do you decide to buy? It's about a trading setup, isn't it? Where do you look for it? It's about a trading setup, okay. Where do you look for a signal? Okay. How do you intraday trade? How do you manage day trade? What's this? The 5% money management rule. So they give you $50,000 to trade with. Are you just going to go and place trade all over the place? And then market goes down, you buy all over the place because the day before it was bullish, and you are buying again today. And today the price is pulling back. So this is it, all right? Adopting a mindset of professional day trader, you may turn around and say, the way the market is, we better close all the position, all right? That would be something smart, just to save, instead of losing 50% of your trading account, you may lose maybe 20% of it, and everybody blink, 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 and say, well, can we deal with that? But you cut it short, you can justify that. So trading like a pro or adopting the mindset of a professional day trader is about knowing when to place the trade, the best time for day trading. So a professional farmer knows when to sow. So he or she will not just go sowing all over the place. A professional farmer will know when is the harvest time. So you will know when to close that trade and bank that profit. You will know how to take multiple positions and how to manage them. And when is the best time to take those multiple positions and so on. All right? You will have a trading method. You will know your setup. Professional day traders do not come in today, use this method, tomorrow they use another method, and they are changing, they don't know. They know their setup, and that's why they are trading day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. But they must use those things with, okay, a trading, okay, a multiple time frame trading method. A professional day trader should know when to sell and when to buy. There are people out there, they don't know how to sell. You'll be surprised. They don't know how to sell. They are every day, all they want to do is to buy. Don't employ people like that. They waste your money because you just need the price to go down like this, and all the profits are gone. All right? And when it's going out like this, they will make noise all over the place. I'm the best trader all over the place. And then price start changing direction, they are losing. Because they don't understand what is the definition of an uptrend and the definition of a downtrend. When is the bullish momentum increasing? Can you answer that question? I said, when a resistance is broken, or a price goes above the prior high. When is the bearish momentum increasing? When it breaks support level, or it goes below the prior low. People going around. Okay, that's enough, all right? So you get a message? How do you become a professional day trader? So I'm a bit excited about this subject, all right? All right? So if you have any question, complaint, lament, suggestion, put it in the comment section, and of course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. And this question was asked on the web, so they were asking that question. I said, well, I may answer that question. How do you become a professional day trader? I see 4 steps. Okay, one learn it through course, academy, and so on. One go and apply for the job, get a salary and a title. One go seriously with more experience, blah, blah, blah. One after staying in this financial market for long, one understand that one is more very, very good in day trading. One apply with, okay, a hedge fund, okay, or institutional bank, okay. And the 4th step, that is very, very important, adopting that mindset of a professional day trader. I explained to you that there are some day traders that are out there that can teach you. They will teach you how to day trade. Don't see somebody that is day trading and you see that it's losing, therefore that person cannot trade you. Don't take that. Somebody you can see him day trading, you'll be laughing and say, "What? You want to teach me how to day trade? Are you kidding me?" Yes, he can teach you how to day trade because he got a lot of experience, but he couldn't day trade. So you can't discount that experience. He can teach you to day trade. Don't laugh. I've seen it myself, all right? They can day trade, all right? They can teach you how to day trade. They are professional day traders, but they can't work alone. They need other people more agile to work together with them, all right? So, if you find this video truly helpful, please let us know by sticking your beautiful thumbs up. If you think that joy, all you were doing, you were just laughing, mocking people, mark it down. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on the social website. To learn more about day trading or professional day trading, all right, go to www.stochastic-magdi. There is a webpage about professional. It's called Professional. That's the title of that webpage, Professional. There are like 7 videos on that webpage where you see real professional day traders telling you how they day trade at Stochastic-Magdi. Check the webpage that we title Professional, and you will see, all right, hold on please, maybe I can show you now, and you will see a webpage about the professional, and 7 of them are talking about their day trading, how they day trade. That will open your eyes a little bit so you may see, okay, what is professional day trading, all right? I'm just going to go quickly into my system. Hopefully my computer will respond very fast, and otherwise we call it a day, all right? All right? So until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about, okay, how to become how do you become a professional day trader. So this is a stochastic-magdi.com. You put the arrow on the cursor and then you scroll down until you see a web page that is called professional. Okay, and that will show you at least 6 or 7 video when a professional trader. This is it. You see professional right there, and you click on it. Okay, it's a little bit down. All right, you need to go to the home page, all right, and then more, and put the cursor on the more, and then scroll it down. If you go to another page that is very short, you may not see all the drop down menu. Here they are, and you can watch those videos. It's very interesting. I put it there for a year. I leave it there, and those are professional day traders, and they will tell you each of them their story, their trading style, and so on. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.